Okay, I'm going out here to film again. I can't even walk, literally. Alright, the Pontiac is literally not going anywhere. I mean, it is freaking buried. Oops. The Pontiac is buried. It is not moving. Wheel is buried. Back wheel is buried. Nose is buried. This car up here is buried. He's got traffic blocked because he can't move. This wheel is buried. So the whole freaking car is done. The whole crew working on this one is stuck. I wish they'd come work on my Pontiac. Plow is stuck, or just sitting there. Oh. That looks like an all-wheel drive because all four wheels are turning. All four wheels are turning and it is not moving. So if it ain't moving, my Pontiac ain't freaking moving.
And when you go backwards, don't buzz. Make that thing scream. Smoke coming off the side. That's right.
Yeah, he's pretty much stuck. So is